Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of RAM upgrades with the ATEC 8GB DDR2 RAM kit. If you're looking to breathe new life into your DDR2 compatible desktop PC, this could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Let's talk specs. This kit includes two 4GB modules, totaling 8GB of DDR2 memory clocked at 800 MHz, PC2-6400. With a speed like that, you can expect smoother multitasking and faster loading times for your favorite applications and games. Installation? Piece of cake. ATEC boasts that even beginners can install this RAM with ease, and I can confirm it's a straightforward process. Just pop out your old modules, slot in the new ones, and you're good to go. Plus, with ATEC's lifetime warranty and friendly tech support, you can purchase with confidence knowing you're covered. Now, let's talk performance. Adding 8GB of DDR2 RAM to your system can make a world of difference, especially if you're currently running on lower capacities. Whether you're a casual user who loves to browse the web and stream videos or a power user who needs to run multiple demanding applications simultaneously, this upgrade can maximize your system's potential. Of course, it's essential to note that this RAM is specifically designed for desktop PCs. So, if you're rocking a laptop or a different form factor, you'll need to look elsewhere. But if you're a desktop user in need of a boost, the ATEC 8GB DDR2 RAM kit could be your ticket to smoother performance and improved productivity. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.